Hey, y'all, come look at this.
So Samsung will launch 2 new Galaxy Watch this year. The Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro or Ultra. They will offer the Watch 5 in 2 sizes while the Watch 5 Pro will only be offered in 1. We've been hearing great things about the Watch 5 Pro, such as a humongous battery almost double that of the Watch 4. Today, we are hearing some more great things about the new watch, which suggests Samsung is taking a page out of Apple's book for the Watch 5 Pro. Ice Universe reveals that the Watch 5 Pro will have a titanium case instead of aluminum and stainless steel on the Watch 4 and Classic. Titanium is a premium material, and it's stronger than both aluminum and stainless steel, but at the same time, it's also lighter than stainless steel. We hardly see any Wear's watches with titanium build, so this is going to be a nice and premium differentiating factor for the Watch 5 Pro. But Apple's latest watch does come with a titanium variant, so there's that. Anyway, Ice Universe also reveals that the Watch 5 Pro will also have a sapphire glass instead of Gorilla Glass. The benefit of sapphire glass is that it is essentially scratch-proof, giving smartwatches that use the material excellent durability. So basically the Watch 5 Pro is going to be the most durable mainstream smartwatch ever made so far. By the way, Apple also offers a sapphire glass Apple Watch variant, but it's not a pure sapphire glass. And although it's more durable and scratch resistant than the Gorilla Glass, it's not totally scratch-proof, so we'll have to wait and see what type of sapphire Samsung is going to use for the Watch 5 Pro. Now, the thing with using premium materials is that the price is going to go up. We don't have any details about that yet, but let's hope they don't go insane with the prices. Ice Universe also mentions that the Watch 5 Pro will not have reduced bezels, something we all were looking forward to. Instead, he says the bezels are even thicker, which probably is done to house that big battery. But looking at that Apple Watch, I was so hoping for a bezel-less Watch 5 this year, but I guess Samsung has other plans. Speaking of disappoints, that temperature sensor which would measure the body temperature and was rumored for the Watch 5 as well as the new Apple Watch will not happen, according to Ming Kai Kuo. Neither Samsung nor Apple figured out a way to make it work accurately because the skin temperature depends on the external environment and needs an excellent algorithm to work accurately, which is not possible for now. Anyway, moving to the Pixel Watch. Google will use a 4-year-old chipset for their new Pixel Watch. It will use the Exynos 9110, a Samsung chip that was first released in 2018. Worst of all, it's according to 9to5 of Google. Google has been working on the Pixel Watch for a few years now, and all of the development is based on this older processor. Switching to the newest platform will cause the watch to be delayed even further. Of course, with that said, for all the latest updates on the Watch 5, be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.